Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our online class of computer studies. Children, we're in chapter 4, formatting a document. So, children, in this chapter, we have learned so many things. First of all, we learn what is document and how to format the document. So, just a short summary part I'm just giving you, then I will begin with the today's topic. So in a formatting a document, we have learned how to make a text appear bold, italic and underline. First of all, we focus on text formatting to make a text appear as a bold, italic and underlined. Then the font part. Font is also the name given to a text only. Changing the font means styles. There are various types of handwritings available. So we can change that as per as our requirement. Then we can change the font color. The text colors we can change. Okay. Then we learn about alignment. The appearance of a text. The text will appear at a center, left or right position. That is known as appearance or alignment. Then we have learned about changing the case. Suppose you have written text in small letter and all of the sudden you want to make in capital. No need to worry for that. Directly you can do. So there are 5 different type of change case. Sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word and toggle case. So I have even shown you how to do these things practically. Then we learn about setting the line space. How much space we can set between one line to another line. Okay. Paragraph spacing also. How much space we set between two paragraphs. Then we learn about bullets and numbering. Okay, the list, how we can apply the bullets, how we can apply the numberings. So this part we have learned. Up to this much we have already learned in our previous classes. So children, today I am going to teach you about previewing and printing a document. So after finishing every work, like Microsoft Word document you have displayed, you did the work, you applied the formatting techniques. Now you want to see before printing how it will look like. That is previewing. Okay, previewing means print preview. It is the way one can see what the documents look like when you would be printing that. Okay, this gives us the opportunity to see any flaws in the document. If something is missing in the document like lines or margins, we can set that. So print preview gives us these options to check. Even we can reduce the size. Okay, so this print preview options are available inside the file tab or office buttons. From there we can click on the print preview part and we can check. So once you are satisfied with the print preview, you can go for print option or print a document. So this print a documents is actually available inside the file tab or office button. But for printing a document, a hardware device printer is required. If printer is not there, how much print options you give, no matters. Print will not come out because printing means the text documents will come out in a piece of paper. And this part is done by a hardware device known as printer. If printer is connected, then only the print out or print a document part will work. We can set multiple options when you are printing. Like you can first of all you can select the printer name, then you can like select or you can type that what you want to print. Then specify the number of pages, how many pages you want to print. Okay, you can even like set the printer properties, you can set the darkness, you can even set the paper size, page alignment. So many options are there in the print dialog box. We can set that. We can use the print options from the office button or file tab, or you can use a shortcut also, that is Ctrl plus P. So children, these are the few options which we can apply on a document for previewing and printing it. Okay, so practically also I'm going to show you, but printer is not there. Okay, you need to adjust it, you need to understand it, that if suppose printer is connected, then how it will print. So children, see this, I'm doing this one practically. Children, see, this is a Microsoft Word document, and let me write something. See, I'm writing here. computer. And let me increase the size also. So children, first of all I need to check in a print preview how it look like. Okay, so what I will do is I'll click on the office button. I'll go to the print options. You can see here print preview option is available. So let me click this one. So when you click, you will get the page, the entire page, entire document will be like visible along with the text. You can adjust the text by clicking on the show ruler options. Then you can click here and you can just move it. Okay, the page you can move it. See, accordingly you can move page up, down, left, right. Okay, you can adjust the pages. You have the orientation available. You can go for landscape or portrait. You can just like set everything. You can set the paper size also. Let us set to A4. Then margin availables, let us make it narrow. Okay, and see everything like we have set. So you can set the pages by applying the show ruler options. You can just adjust it, or you can have the margins, orientation, paper size, and multiple options we can set. So if you are confirmed that this is the perfect preview for your document, then you can click on the close print preview options. Okay, and finally you can go for the office button again, and you can go for the print options. But for print option, the printer should be must. Okay, printer is not there, you cannot print out. So without printer, the printing part is not possible. If suppose printer is connected, you will find the name available here. Here you will get the printer name. You have to select it from here. Then after that, page range, what you want to print, whether you want to print all the pages in the document or simply the current page, or you can even give the page numbers. Now each page, how many copies you want, that you can go here and you can type here like number of copies. Okay, say suppose sometime you need to print odd even pages, you can go here also, print what option is available. Okay, print like odd even pages, and even the properties are available. Okay, then we can click on the OK part. If your printer is connected, it will just come out as a printout, as a hard copy in a piece of paper, and you'll find the exactly same how you have seen in the print preview. Same like that, only in the piece of paper the text will be appeared at one corners. So this previewing and printing a document help us. First of all, the previewing help us to view like how our text will appear in a piece of paper, like when we print out. Okay, and printing is a part, you can say, where your typed document you can carry, or you can take it out in a piece of paper. Okay, but printer is required for that.